Hey everyone! Instagram Notes is a fun way to share short messages with your followers, and recently, users have been getting creative by changing the color of their notes. If you have seen pink colored notes on Instagram and want to know how to do it, follow this step-by-step guide to create your own. So first open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version. Then navigate to your direct messages by tapping the chat icon in the top right corner. At the top of your DMs, you will see a plus add note or your note section where you can post your own Instagram note. Click on it. And now you have the option to enter your message. Notes can be up to 60 characters long, so make sure your message fits within the limit. To make your Instagram note appear pink, you will need to use certain keywords with your note, and these keywords are V-Day, next is I love you, next one is short for I love you, which is ILY, other one is ILYSM, and lastly is spooky. Now once you're satisfied with your message and the color change, tap share, and your pink note will now be visible to your followers or close friends depending on your sharing settings. After posting your note, check if it appears in pink. Instagram may update color features, so testing different combinations can help achieve the effect. While Instagram doesn't officially allow users to change the color of notes manually, using certain keywords can influence the appearance of your note. So try this and see which one works best. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.